stopped at the top of Berthoud Pass today to give you a quick rundown on my latest project we're about to go pick up. Yesterday we came up and went over into Winter Park and found a 2001 Jeep Cherokee for sale. Took a look at it, a little beat up, offered him $500. He said good. Didn't have the title, so we had to go home, and now we're coming back today to get it. So taking a quick look at the scenery up here, and we're going to go downtown and pick up this Jeep Cherokee for the next project. Alright, well, we got the Jeep. We're back up at the top of the pass. Decided to stop, check it out real quick, refill the washer fluid, and we'll head down. So here it is, our new project. Little beat up, running Cherokee. Got a fender that's banged up, a header panel that's broken up, end cap. Got a bumper that's a little tweaked, but we might be able to reuse it. I'm missing a couple of headlight bezels. Coming on around, we're missing a flare. That's an easy one. Hopefully we can find a white one at the junkyard. Coming around to the back, yet another little beat up corner. This hatch and this bumper got a little bit. So a little bit on the outside all around. Otherwise, you know, pretty good on terms of the rust and everything. There's not a lot going on with that. The auxiliary doors are good. Not terribly dirty inside, but you can see the driver's seat there has got some pretty good wear on it, and the foam's awfully squished down. So we'll get that done, and then at some point we're going to have to screw around with this hatch because it's stuck there. So we can't even get it open for now. So that's it for now. We'll get back on the road and drive home. Alrighty, well, I made it home. Here we are. Just about to get dark. Luckily we got home in time for that. Here's the Jeep. No real issues with it driving back. Other than the AC doesn't work, so it's a little bit warm driving it here. Luckily it's not a real hot day. Took a quick look underneath it. Looks like we've got a lift on it, transfer case drops, so got a little bit extra height in here. Not sure how much exactly. We'll measure it later. Kind of poked around under it some more. So for now we'll go inside and have some dinner, and then tomorrow we'll get started on the project in earnest and figure out what we're going to do first.